Guys, so today I've got a quick video on my first impressions of the new Cosrx Peptide Snail Eye Cream, and I was super excited to get it last week, and my eyes have been in heaven. I've been trying out a lot of eye products lately, and I've been loving them, and pretty much I've really enjoyed everything I've tried out. And I really have enjoyed this little guy. So, pretty affordable. I think it was like $24. I think I got it from Yes Style. But you can pick it up wherever. You can get it on sale. But I like it. No alcohol, first of all. Fragrance-free, well-packaged, affordable. So right there, we've got like the trifecta of good things going on. And then the Snail Secrete Mucin is in there as well. So it joins the Cosrx family of Snail products. Love them all. And if you have dry skin, irritated skin, acne-prone skin, scars, issues with irritation, sensitivity, Snail Mucin can be really a great thing. So it can work some miracles. So this little eye cream, I'm loving it. So I've been using it now day and night, and so today, this morning, I applied it, and then I let it soak in for, I don't know, 10 minutes while I did my hair, which doesn't take too long, and then I applied my makeup, and I put eyeshadow on over it. No issues with the eyeshadow smearing or flaking or getting too oily, so it's really been working well under makeup, and I was pretty surprised of that because if you guys have tried the other Snail products, you know they're super gooey. This one isn't. It's kind of more creamy, so let me do a little thing on my hand here. My cameraman is out of town still, so he'll be back soon. But it's a lot more creamy than you would think, and it's not gooey. So it applies pretty easily. I've been applying this over around my entire eye area, on my eyelids, which get really dry, especially when you use eyeshadow, around them, up, and then even just kind of below my eyebrow. And it takes a few seconds to soak in. But let me see, there you go, you can kind of see. So I would give it, if you're going to apply it in the morning time, I would give it an ample amount of time to soak in before you apply any makeup over it. I would say 5 or 10 minutes. If you do your hair, put your foundation on, by the time you're done with that, it'll soak in and apply pretty easily. So it's loaded with good things in there. We've got niacinamides in there, obviously the Snail Mucin, and then we've got a lot of peptides. We've got copper peptide in there as well. So I was pretty happy to see the copper peptide in there, which is kind of like all the rage right now. And I'm sure in 5 years it'll be, not a big deal. It'll be the newest and best ingredient ever, but super loaded with good things, sunflower seed oil, palmitic acid, and then we've got some good amino acids, vitamin E, lots of good hydrating ingredients, and I just like the fact that after you give it a minute or two to soak in, it works great. It layers well with other products, so if you have a whole skincare routine, like yesterday I applied it, and then I applied the rest of my skincare routine, it layered well, no pilling or any issues like that, and I was pretty happy. I was a little nervous it was going to be super gooey, you know, because the Snail products are always kind of gooey, and I was thinking, well, if it's that gooey, how's it gonna, it's gonna get in your eyes, it's not gonna work well with other products. But it really was amazing how they were able to formulate that Snail Mucin without making it super gooey, but still maintaining the hydration that it provides for your skin and your, especially like your sensitive, delicate eye area. So I'm very happy with it. I love it. What was the size? 0.85 ounces. I could say a bottle like this would probably last me like 6 months. So that's like a bargain, especially for eye cream. Some of them are ridiculously expensive. So for this price, for this size bottle, the packaging, everything, I love it. I was so happy. To me, honestly, if I had to give my full review today, I could see how this would be an easy 10 out of 10. So I don't know. There's a lot of other Snail products. There's some brands that do a good job with it. Cosrx is one of them. They've really done an amazing job with their snail line. So they're every single one I love. So the essence is great. The cream, the eye product, love it. It'd be interesting to see if there's like a snail lip product. I don't know. That would be, I don't know about that. But I would try it. So anyway, I want to do my initial review because I know it just came out. I know a lot of you guys are asking about it, so I was so excited to finally get to try it out this week. So, I don't know. It's been a fun, exciting week when I get lots of packages and new things. It seems like for the first, like, week of November, like, nothing new came out. It was just, like, gift sets of stuff I've already tried. And then, like, the last couple weeks, it's been, like, the last week, like, new stuff every day. So, I don't know. I get all fired up and excited. So, anyway, those are my first impressions. I will certainly do a more detailed review, and I've got some fun things coming up in the next few weeks, so definitely stay tuned for that. And thank you guys so much. I will see you tomorrow.